The black-backed jackal is a highly adaptable canid native to eastern and southern Africa. Recognized by its distinctive black saddle across a reddish-tan coat, this species is both an opportunistic scavenger and a skilled predator. Uniquely monogamous, black-backed jackals form long-term pair bonds and actively co-parent their young, often with the help of older offspring. They're also notably vocal, using complex calls for communication, territory defense, and coordination during hunts. With keen intelligence and social structure, they play an important ecological role in their native habitats.